What's up, guys? I'm bored, so I wanted to do this experiment. I'm just gonna see how long it takes to shake my automatic watch up to a full charge. This is a skill that I have perfected over many, many years of being a teenager. So let's go ahead and see. All right, I've been shaking it for about 2 minutes. Oh wow, look at that. Over halfway charged. I honestly was not expecting that. All right, let's go ahead and keep going. All right, I'm just at around 3 minutes. All right, almost there. Let's keep going. Okay, I'm gonna call that 100%. So just under 4 minutes of shaking it and you get a fully charged watch.